Hey friends, if you encounter the no internet secured problem in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it basically means that your Wi-Fi network is connected but there is no internet. So the first approach should be to check it on your phone or a different device connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Does it have internet? If it has internet, then the issue is with your system and not with the router, but most probably you won't face this. It won't work on other devices as well, and then it is isolated that the issue is with the router. But if it's not, then here's what you can do. Switch off the router and the computer, both the devices. Now switch on the router only and wait till the lights are stable, and then switch on the computer. Once this is sorted out, you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar and then go to device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and then update the drivers. Okay, and then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab, select advanced network settings and then select network reset and then click on reset now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.